Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Spriggy Pocket Money account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is locate Spriggy and open it. So if you don't have Spriggy, you can download it from the Play Store or APK Pure if you are not in the country, but I purely suggest you to download it from the Play Store when you are in Australia. So what you need to do now after opening the Spriggy Pocket Money app is click on Login, which you see on the bottom right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see the option of I'm a parent and I'm a kid. You can choose your category. After a while, what you need to do is enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, click Login and an OTP code will be sent to your phone number. Go ahead and enter the OTP code on the screen, verify it, and you can easily log into your account. Let me show it to you once again. First of all, what you need to do is open Spriggy. After you open Spriggy, click on Login, and if you are a parent or a kid, you can choose this. After you do so, you can see that there are options over here. Just go ahead and click on this Spriggy option if you are a child, and you can write down your username, your password. Make sure to check your password once by clicking on this eye icon and click Login. This way you can easily log into your kid's account on your Spriggy Pocket Money as well as your parent's account if you click on I'm a parent. So guys, this is how you can log into your Spriggy Pocket Money account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.